Welcome back to my nail channel. If you're not already, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications because I do post weekly nail videos. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to my content. In this video, I am going to be testing out some Born Pretty gel polishes. They did reach out to me and ask me if I would like to try some of their products, and of course I said yes. This bottle here is just a matte gel top coat. I do really love matte nails, so I'm really happy that they sent this over with the other products. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the plastic. I am going to be swatching out all of these gel polishes in just a little bit. I do want to say the quality of this bottle feels very nice. I love the aesthetic of it. This bottle is so pretty. I am going to go ahead and open up all of the other bottles of gel polish. These two white bottles of gel, these are the reflective magnetic cat eye gel polishes. I have tried cat eye gel polishes before, but I did not hold the magnet correctly. So I am going to give this another attempt. Hopefully this turns out a lot better than the last one. I do really like the quality of these bottles as well, but personally I do like the black ones a little bit better. I will link all of these products down below in the description if you're interested in buying any of these products. So if you see anything that catches your eye, make sure to go and check it out down in the description. This one here is a gel polish color. This one is absolutely gorgeous, one of my favorite colors to put on my nails. You will be seeing it in just a few minutes when I go and swatch the gel polishes. This one is just a different color of the cat eye gel polish. And for the last bottle, this one is a normal nail polish color. This one is like a reflective glitter. It is purple. I really do like this nail polish color. And of course, they did send over the dual-ended magnetic nail stick. This is just to move all of those magnetic glitter particles in the gel polish. And one side of the magnet is the one that attracts the glitters, and the other one is the one that pulls the glitters away. So I do really like that aspect of this product. So those are all of the gel polishes that I got. I am going to go ahead and swatch them out. Please ignore my swatch wheel. I am about to get some better swatches for you guys. I will not be swatching out the matte gel top coat, but I will be swatching out all of the other colors. So of course I had to jump to the color gel polish first because I wanted to test this color out so bad. As you can see, this is a very beautiful color. I'm just going to go ahead and apply 2 layers of this onto the swatch. As you can see, it does go on pretty smooth. It does have a lot of color to it. I do really like this gel polish. It did almost seem like it was going to be a streaky gel polish, so I did kind of add a little bit more gel polish to make the layer a little bit thicker. But if you do this, make sure not to make the layer too thick because you do want it to fully cure under the nail lamp. I honestly didn't have any issues at all with this layer of gel polish to cure. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the glitter magnetic gel polishes. This is the first one. It's really hard to see on camera, but it is like a purple glitter and it does have blue glitters in it. I do think this color is really pretty. And the other magnetic gel polish that I have, this one is absolutely gorgeous. This is a really deep shimmer red and I do really like this color. Because they are cat eye magnetic gel polishes, I am going to be adding a thin layer of black gel polish onto the swatch first so that all of the glitter colors do show when I go to apply that to the nail. So I'm just going to add this to half so you can see what it would look like if you did not add the black layer. But I'm going to apply this and then cure for 1 minute. After the black gel is cured, I'm going to go ahead and swatch out the magnet gel polish. This first one that I'm testing out is the purple and blue glitter one. This one doesn't seem to have a lot of glitter placed in it, so I did end up curing that layer and then doing a second layer of this color just so that I can get a more opaque color. For the second layer, I did make it a little bit thicker just so that I can have a really strong color. Before you cure that, you're going to take the magnet and you're going to wave it over top of the glitter. This is going to either push the glitters away or draw them towards the magnet depending which side you're doing. It may be a little bit difficult to see on camera. I do play around with the camera angle and stuff in just a little bit so you guys can hopefully see this a little bit better. I am going to go ahead and move on to the other color. This one is kind of the same thing. I did apply 2 layers of this just so that it can be very opaque. So before I cure, I'm going to take the magnetic stick and I'm going to wave it over top of the gel polish. This one you can see a lot better than the other color. I do really love the shimmer of this gel polish. I do like glitter, but I do like shimmers a little bit better. As you can see, it is starting to give that magnetic cat eye effect, which I do really like. I do really love this color. Once I have that how I want, I did cure under the nail lamp. This is what it looks like when I turn the flash on my camera on. You can see how reflective these colors are. I am going to go ahead and swatch out the normal nail polish as well. As you can see, this nail polish color is also not super concentrated with glitter, but after about 2 or 3 layers, it does give you a really good opacity. Here are what these swatches look like with the flash on my camera. I do really love this purple glitter nail polish with the flash on. So those are what the swatches of all of these colors look like. I am going to go ahead and move on to the manicure portion of this video. To start off this manicure, I am just applying a layer of black gel polish onto my natural nails. I do already have a base coat layer on my nails, so make sure to apply a base layer before applying your gel polish color. Again, I am just doing this step to help the glitters appear a little bit better. I'm going to add a layer to all of the nails and then cure under the nail lamp. If you did watch the video of me reviewing this nail lamp and drill, you would have already seen this part of the video. Yes, when I was filming that video, I was preparing my nails to do this video. After the gel polish layer has been applied, I am going to cure for 1 minute. So I'm just going to start by testing out the red magnetic gel polish. I did like this one a little bit more than the other one, again because it is more of a shimmer, and I do like shimmers a little bit more than glitter, so I wanted to test this one out. I also really liked the color of this one. I'm just going to be adding a decent layer of this onto all of the nails. Since the colors that they sent me didn't go very well together, I didn't want to do all of my nails a different color. I did just want something pretty simple, and I did want to test out the magnetic gel polish, so that's why I'm just doing a solid color manicure. I did also do a second manicure at the end of the video, so if you would like to also watch that one, just keep watching. This gel polish color does seem to be a little bit thick. I do really like it because it doesn't run like some gel polishes do, so I was able to paint a layer on this on all of my nails and nothing ran on the ones that I did first. I do really like that about this product. I personally just don't really like super runny gel polishes, and this is not one of those. So when playing around with the swatches, I did realize that I liked the round side of the magnetic stick a little bit better. You do want to hold the magnet over top of the nail and not underneath or to the side. This is going to correctly pull the glitter either up or down. This circle one does push the glitter away, and that's exactly what I wanted for the design that I was going for. If you do mess up this line, you can just wave the other side across the nail and it will pull those glitters back up to the top. I am going to hold my pinky like super far away, and I'm going to repeat the same step on my other nails. Because this is a magnet, you don't want to get it too close to the nails that you've already done, otherwise it can mess up the design. I did turn the flash on my camera on, so hopefully you can see this process a little bit better. It does not look as good on camera as it does in person. This is so satisfying to do because it looks so beautiful. I really do love watching the glitters move around, and you can actually do quite a lot of styles when it comes to the magnetic gel polishes. For this nail, I was having a little bit of trouble getting it where I wanted, so I did end up switching it to the other side of the magnet, and it just pulled all of those glitters straight up into the line. I am going to go ahead and do the same step on all of the other nails. Once I have all of the magnetic glitters where I want them, I am going to cure for 1 minute. After you cure the nails, the magnet does no longer work when it comes to moving those colors, so make sure to get it exactly where you want before you cure. After the nails are cured, I am going to go ahead and add a no wipe gel top coat on top of the nails. I did play around with the swatches off camera, and I tried putting a matte gel top coat over top of this exact color, and it did not look good. So just take a little note, make sure to use a glossy gel top coat if you want the nails to look like this. I am going to go ahead and cure the top coat into place. After the top coat is cured, I am going to be adding some cuticle oil on all of my cuticles to rehydrate my skin. And this is what the manicure looks like outside with the sun. This is absolutely gorgeous. I do really love this color. I hope you guys love this portion of the video. So let's go ahead and move on to the second manicure. For this one, I have already done my other hand and I wanted to match it. So I just have some jelly tips on, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this gel polish color onto my nails. I am just going to be applying a layer of this onto all of my nails and avoiding getting any of this product on my skin. I do have to say this color is absolutely perfect. It is my top favorite color to put on my nails. Way back before I started doing my YouTube channel, there was a normal nail polish color that I really liked, and it's exactly this same color. I wore that nail polish like crazy. So I am really happy that they picked this color for me. I absolutely love it. This gel polish does go on very smooth. I do like the quality of it. After all of the nails have been painted, I am going to cure for 1 minute. After the nails are cured, I am going to be adding a second layer of this gel polish color onto all of the nails. As you guys know, it is better to do 2 thinner coats of gel polish color rather than 1 thick one, because you do want the layers of gel polish to fully cure under the nail lamp. Otherwise, you will have wet gel underneath your manicure, which can make your manicure not last as long. I am going to go ahead and cure that under the nail lamp for 1 minute. I am going to be doing some nail art. I am doing the exact same design that is on my other hand. Since I have already done a video on that one, I will just zoom right through this part. Once I have all of my nail art, I am going to cure for 1 minute. After that layer is cured, I'm going to take the matte gel top coat. I did really want to try this for the video, so I am just going to add a layer of this onto all of the nails. When you do matte gel top coats, you do want to make sure that there's no part of the nail without this product. Otherwise, the nail is going to be matte and then you have like little shiny parts. So just make sure that you have a very full coverage when it comes to applying matte gel top coats. Once I have the top coat, I'm just going to go ahead and do a full cure under the nail lamp. I did forget to record a good video of this hand, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!